Welcome to this Sage 50 US Edition Anytime Learning topic. Correcting W-2s in Sage 50 is a relatively easy task. Simply follow these steps on the computer that originally processed the W-2s. In the Employees and Payroll Navigation Center, access the Atrix Payroll Tax Form selector by clicking Forms and then Federal Forms. Select the W-2 W-3 form you use to process your employees' W-2s and click OK. If you previously completed the W-2 filing process in Atrix, the W-2 History File Options window should display. If it doesn't open the Payroll Tax Form selector again, select Existing Form from the Form Type options and then click OK. In the Open Report list, check W-2 W-3 and then click Edit. On the W-2 History Options window, select Correct Completed W-2s from the list of available actions. This action allows corrections to W-2 copies that have been previously processed. Click Next. A Correction Options window will display. Check all of the forms that you have previously completed and distributed, and click Continue. Click OK on the Prepare Steps pop-up. The W-2 Preparer will now display in correction mode. Here you can walk through the process of adding or correcting the information used to originally process W-2s. Note that any data that has changed will turn blue and the far left row number will turn orange. Click the Next button to advance through the Preparer, correcting information as you go. Be aware that the information displayed is the same data used for the original filing. If employee record or payroll data has been updated in the program since the original filing, you'll need to manually update the data in the Preparer to reflect the changes. Also note that any changes made in the Preparer will not update payroll data or records in Sage 50. Any corrections made here should also be performed in the program if you want your payroll data and W-2s to reconcile. If you need to correct your company information, select the Company Setup icon. The W-2 Setup wizard will then display, allowing you to make changes to your company details. Walk through the wizard to make your corrections. When complete, click Next to return to the Preparer. Click Next. Based on the corrections you made, the Review Data page will let you know what corrected forms will need to be printed or e-filed. Review the information and then click Next. Now the form printer will display in correction mode. Here you can review each corrected form that will be processed. Use the page arrows to view each form. Click Print to print a copy for your employees and for your records, and then click the Next Step button to advance to the next form. Click Next, and if you previously e-filed W-2s, the Atrix Secure e-file window will appear. When you're finished, you'll be placed back on the W-2 History Options window. You can click the View Detail List of Completed Actions button to review the actions taken to correct the W-2s. Now that the correction process is complete, click Close and then close the Open Report window if displayed. Thank you for taking this Anytime Learning lesson. For information on additional training options, please visit us at sageu.com.